Hello everyone, Gurudev NEET Academy welcomes you all. Today we will have some problem based on mole concept. Here is the first one for you. See, 1 gram equimolar mixture of sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate is completely neutralized by 0.5 molar HCl, right? Calculate the volume of HCl consumed. This is the question for you. Okay, in the problem, 1 gram equimolar mixture being given, and it has been said in order to neutralize 1 gram equimolar mixture of this two, 0.5 molar HCl solution being used for the complete neutralization, right? So it has been asked कि what the volume of HCl being consumed during this process. So we have to find out the volume of HCl consumed, right? In order to solve this question, first of all, we have to check what's the number of moles of both being involved in the reaction. So let's see solution. NaHCO3 plus Na2CO3 being given 1 gram, right? Let us say कि this is being x gram. So what about this one? 1 minus x gram. In the question it has been said these are equimolar, means number of moles of this one equal to number of moles of this one. So by equating the number of moles of this two, we can find out the weight of each. Let us see number of moles of NaHCO3 is equal to number of moles of Na2CO3 according to the question, as per question. It has been given in the question, right? So number of moles means what? Weight in gram divided by molar mass. You know what's the molar mass sodium bicarbonate? This is 60, carbonate 60, 23 plus 1, 24 means 84, equal to 1 minus x divided by, what about the molar mass of this one? This one is coming out to be 60 and 46, 106. You can solve it for x. You can solve it for x. X will come out to be, calculation you are getting x is equal to this much. Now see, we have calculated x is equal to 0.442 gram. So number of moles of NaHCO3 will be what? 0.442 divided by 84, and that comes out to be 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole, right? It is also equal to number of moles of sodium carbonate. Now see the reaction. NaHCO3 going to consume 1 mole of HCl to give NaCl plus H2O plus CO2, right? Means for this reaction 5.2 moles of 5.2 into 10 minus 3 moles of HCl being consumed, okay? Now for another equation, Na2CO3 plus 2HCl. The product will remain same. Here 2 into 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles of HCl being consumed, because 1 mole, so this is 2 moles, so this is obviously 2 moles. So total moles of HCl consumed is equal to what? 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 3. Now we can use the molarity equation. Molarity is equal to number of moles of HCl divided by volume in ml into 1000. This is the molarity equation. Molarity of HCl being given 0.5, right? Number of moles we have just calculated 3 into 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1000 divided by V. So V comes out to be, this is going to be cancelled with this one and this will come here. So 0.5 means up to, so 6 into 5.2. So that is coming out to be 31.2 ml of HCl. This is the answer for you, right? This is the answer. Actually 3, it will come here, we will write 0.5 1 by 2, so 2 comes up, so 3 2 is 6 into 5.2. Okay, so this is the solution, the volume of HCl required. अब अगला क्वेश्चन कैसे आएगा? ये Okay everyone, now we have another question based on the mole concept. Just see, 1.8 gram of a mixture of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate is heated strongly till a final residue of 0.96 gram was obtained. Calculate the percentage of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate in the mixture. This is also very important question for NEET purpose. So let us see how can we solve it. Again this is just like previous, but the little concept is different. Calcium carbonate plus magnesium carbonate plus magnesium carbonate is equal to 1.84 gram. Okay, so let us see, let assume ki this is being x gram. So what about this one? 1.84 minus x gram. If the sum of these two is 1.84 gram, if this is x, so this is what? 1.84 minus x gram. Okay. Now we have to write the equation when these two being heated separately. Okay, therefore we will write the calcium carbonate first. Calcium carbonate being heated, so what we are getting? CaO plus CO2. CO2 actually will escape out because in the question it is given final residue, this one, final residue. It means the only solid being considered, CO2 being escaped out. So just see, the molar mass of calcium carbonate is how much? 100. 100 gram gives you, the molar mass of calcium oxide is 56 gram per mole. So 100 gram of this one will give this much. So as per the question, x gram will give how much? This divided by this is equal to this divided by this. So this is going to give you, question mark is equal to 56x divided by 100 gram of calcium carbonate, right? Now we have to find out by the same way the solid mass of magnesium oxide by heating. So we will write magnesium carbonate, we will heat it again. So this is going to give you MgO plus CO2 again escaped out, right? CO2 again escape out. So what about the molar mass? This one 84. This one is 40. 24 magnesium, 16 oxygen. So 40. Means 84 gram of magnesium carbonate all strongly hitting gives 40 gram of magnesium oxide, right? So as per the question, you can see from the back how much magnesium carbonate is there, 1.84 minus x, okay. So this much giving this much, so 1.84 minus x gram will give how much? Let us see the question mark. This divided by this is equal to this divided by this, going to give you the mass of magnesium oxide. So this is going to be 40 into 1.84 minus x divided by 84. This is what? Gram of MgO. Now as per the question, this is the solid mass of MgO and the previous one is also the solid mass of calcium oxide. So mass of CaO plus mass of MgO is equal to, as per the question, 0.96, because it is given the final residue was found to be this much. Now see what we were having the mass of calcium oxide, 56x divided by 100, okay. So this is 56x divided by 100. And what about this one? Here you can see 40 1.84 minus x divided by 84 is equal to 0.96 as per the question. Now by solving it, we will get x is equal to 1, and x is what? X is calcium carbonate, okay. So in the next step, नेक्स्ट क्यों नहीं हो रहा ये? So x is coming out to be this much. It means mass of magnesium carbonate is coming out to be 0.84 gram. Okay. So the 1 gram is the mass of calcium carbonate and 0.84 gram is the mass of magnesium carbonate. Now we have to find out the percentage. So see how can you find out the percentage? See here, percentage of CaCO3, mass of calcium carbonate is 1, total mass is 1.84 into 100. So it is coming out to be 54.34%. Similarly, the percentage of magnesium carbonate can be calculated 0.84 divided by 1.84 into 100, and that will come out to be 45 point, actually you can also obtain by subtracting from 100. So 55.66%. So this is going to be your answer, okay. So these two are very important question based on the mole concept.